Imagine starting your day to find out that the company you all expected to rule the future has been overtaken. Tesla has been ruling the electric vehicle market for almost a decade now. The company has been admired by investors, feared by its competitors, analyzed by governments around the world, and dreamt about by millions of consumers. Until something unexpected happened. A Chinese company that most people outside Asia didn't even know about quietly sold more electric vehicles than Tesla did. That Chinese company is BYD. It wasn't just that BYD surpassed Tesla, it was that the company surpassed the American corporation in a way no one expected. BYD wasn't just growing faster than anybody expected, it was making affordable electric vehicles like nobody else could. The EV market stopped wondering whether EVs would replace gas-powered cars. They began wondering which company will dominate the future of automotive transportation. Tesla created the revolution. BYD may be set up to own it. This is the story of innovation, ambition, geopolitical rivalry, billion-dollar risk-taking, and the fight that could determine the future of the global auto industry. But this is bigger than car companies. This is an economic fight that could change the face of the global economy forever. Pre-Tesla era electric cars were often considered slow, ugly, and inefficient. Almost every auto manufacturer regarded EV development as a side project. However, Tesla disrupted the status quo entirely. With the help of Elon Musk, a visionary and business genius, Tesla managed to develop a line of cars which not only were eco-friendly but also exciting. With the introduction of the Roadster, it became clear that EVs can be powerful. With the Model S, Tesla proved that EVs can offer an extremely comfortable interior and performance on par with traditional vehicles. With the Model 3, Tesla showed that electric cars can be affordable. Consumers were suddenly eager to get their hands on the new technology. Money started flooding into the sector in massive amounts. Traditional automakers found themselves lagging behind the innovator. In the eyes of consumers, Tesla was not just producing a product, it produced visions of the future, in which batteries and software ruled the streets. By the early 2020s, Tesla became one of the most valued firms in the world. However, it managed to completely alter the landscape of the auto industry. If not for Tesla, EVs might never become popular. But domination is accompanied by certain risks. Namely, once you become the leader, everyone starts competing against you. Among those competitors, there was one firm that seemed to learn faster than others. If you are interested in the latest trends in technology and business around the globe, then press the like button, subscribe, and stay with us to find out more. While Tesla started out as a car manufacturer, things were quite different for BYD was founded as a battery producer. It seems like the choice may have worked well for the company. As others heavily relied on the services of suppliers, BYD was gaining experience in making the key part of an electric car, a battery. The company invested a lot of efforts in years to come. They perfected their supply chains, gained enough manufacturing capacity, developed better batteries, became more efficient in the process of production, and finally launched cars. When BYD started selling cars, the news did not attract much international attention. But while everyone was busy discussing Tesla, BYD quietly became the owner of the largest EV market, year after year, building factories, selling more cars, and getting bigger and bigger. By the mid-2020s, BYD has stopped being just a competitor. The company was turning into a global player. How? It simply offered affordable electric cars to millions. That is how BYD became one of the fastest growing automakers. For decades, the auto industry followed a familiar formula. Build better cars, charge higher prices, earn larger profits. But the electric vehicle revolution changed the rules, and BYD understood this before almost anyone else. Instead of focusing exclusively on premium vehicles, BYD attacked the market from every direction. Affordable city cars, family SUVs, luxury sedans, commercial vehicles. The company offered something for nearly every buyer. Tesla, meanwhile, found itself in a difficult position. To maintain market share, it began cutting prices across multiple regions. What followed became one of the most aggressive price wars in automotive history. Every price reduction helped consumers, but it also pressured profit margins throughout the industry. Traditional automakers faced an impossible dilemma: lower prices and hurt profitability, or keep prices high and lose customers. BYD's manufacturing scale allowed it to withstand these pressures better than many competitors. Its factories were producing vehicles at extraordinary speed and efficiency. The message was becoming clear: the future EV winner wouldn't necessarily be the company with the coolest technology. It might be the company that could make millions of vehicles profitably at the lowest cost. And that's exactly the battlefield where BYD seemed strongest. The geopolitical EV war. At first glance, this story seems simple, two companies competing for customers. But beneath the surface lies something much larger. National strategy, economic power, technological leadership. Governments increasingly view electric vehicles as strategic industries. The company's leading EV innovation could influence jobs, manufacturing, energy systems, and national competitiveness. This has transformed the EV market into a geopolitical battleground. Trade disputes, tariffs, supply chain security, technology restrictions, all have become part of the conversation. Tesla and BYD operate at the center of these global forces. Every factory announcement matters. Every battery breakthrough matters. Every market expansion matters. Because behind each business decision lies a larger question. Who will shape the industries of the future? The outcome could affect far more than transportation. It could influence economic growth, technological leadership, and global power balances for decades. The EV race is no longer merely about cars. It has become part of a much larger contest for the future. The final verdict: who owns the next decade? So after all the headlines, all the competition, and all the predictions, who wins? The honest answer is more complicated than many people expect. BYD appears to have mastered scale, manufacturing, cost efficiency, and mass market growth. Tesla remains a leader in software, autonomous driving ambitions, and technological innovation. Both companies possess extraordinary strengths. Both face significant risks. History suggests that major technological revolutions rarely produce only one winner. The internet created multiple giants. The smartphone revolution created multiple giants. The AI revolution will likely create multiple giants. The same may be true for electric vehicles. BYD may dominate manufacturing. Tesla may dominate intelligent mobility, or one could eventually surpass the other entirely. What seems certain is this: the competition between these two companies is accelerating innovation across the industry. Consumers receive better products, technology advances faster, and the world moves closer to a new transportation era. The EV revolution is no longer a prediction, it's happening now, and Tesla versus BYD may become one of the defining business battles of the 21st century. The winner will not simply sell more cars. The winner may help define the future itself. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most important business battles of our time, subscribe to Global Economy Explained. Every week, we uncover the hidden forces shaping technology, geopolitics, finance, and the future of our world. Like, share and tell us in the comments. Will BYD become the world's dominant EV company, or will Tesla's AI vision change the game once again?